So just taking a look at Verasity then, and as we can see, we have come down to that level that I was suggesting, the area that we would find a bounce here down at the 0.23 Fibonacci. Obviously, we've been working these Fibonacci levels for a little while here really. I do think when we get into bull markets, cryptos do follow these Fibonacci levels very, very closely, perhaps even more so than other markets. And you can see here, for Verasity, we are reaching that area of a crossroads essentially. We've come down to the bottom of this channel, where we always bounce, as you can see, bounce, 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 bounce. Looking very similar to the previous pre-bull market area here, really, where we were, you know, coming up and down, going sideways. Everyone's saying that Veracity's, you know, a scam, it's dead, blah, 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 and then it goes and does 100x or whatever. You can see massive bear market, and obviously we've come into this area where we've just been going sideways and consolidating again. Everyone's saying that Verasity is a scam, it's going to zero, blah, 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 everyone needs to sell. But you can see really all we're doing is we're just working these fib levels and we're consolidating, waiting for that next move to the upside for that whole altcoin market, which Verasity will undoubtedly follow. And you can see here we've come down to the level that I expected us to hit, that 0.23 at around half a cent, obviously a big psychological support as well. We've come down, we've obviously tried to wick lower here, we've got a decent bounce off this low. On the hourly time frame, if we just take a look here, you can see obviously we wicked all the way down to this level before, and now we've trickled all the way down into this area. And you know, over the past few hours here on the hourly time frame, you can see we've actually come back up and currently getting stuck under that 100 moving average on the hourly time frame. But overall, looking like we are seeing a significant reaction down here at around that half a cent level. I do think that's going to be an area where a lot of people have massive orders, because I do think Verasity is going to have some big players coming into it soon. You can see on the daily time frame as well, we are now officially oversold. The last time we were oversold at this level was back here, and you can see what happened next. So you could probably, you know, maybe start to see a little bit of a reversal and a move to the upside here, doing something like this pretty soon for Verasity, depending on what happens obviously in the wider market. If we see Bitcoin head to the downside, we'll probably see a rollover for Verasity. But right now, having a nice reaction at support, which is good to see. I think probably some consolidation here before coming back up towards these previous levels of structure is quite likely. But right now, Verasity not down and out by any means. In the macro, I think this is still going to do extremely well. I'd say I'm probably just going to buy. As I said, I bought this and I've been holding this, and I'm just going to come back in 2 years and it's probably going to be much higher than it is now. And that's the simple fact, isn't it, of most cryptos going into the next bull market, provided they don't have some catastrophic failure. I mean, look at this chart, man. Consolidation, pump, extension, bear market, consolidation, pump, extension, bear market. You can see what happens next, can't you? So overall, I think Verasity is going to be totally fine, isn't it?